Hey everyone, welcome back to Nanotemper Technologies, Application Academy, and the PR.Stability Analysis software tutorial series. Again, I'm Lindsay Dawson, an application specialist with Nanotemper. In our last tutorial, we're going to be covering the various export options that you have available to you in the software. Now, we know it's great to be able to streamline your actual data analysis using our software, but we know that eventually you're going to have to present this data to, say, either your colleagues or your boss, or just record it for your records. In order to do that efficiently, we've provided you a ton of options for different exporting in the software to be able to quickly export whatever data you need to meet your analysis needs. Let's go ahead and jump into the software and check out these export options. First, you have the option to directly export either the charts or the data table from the software. So again, meeting your specific analysis needs, once you're satisfied with the various display options that you've chosen for and you'd like to export these charts for your analysis, you can simply click on the export option located directly above the charts, and you can see that you have two options: to either export the chart as a PNG image or to export the chart as vector graphics. Similar to our charts, you can also directly export this data table in the exact setup that you need to quickly analyze your data sets. So once you're satisfied with the various columns displayed, you can again click that export option directly above the data table, and you can also notice that you have two options again to either export to Excel or to a CSV file. Second, to provide you even more options for exporting, we've incorporated our batch export module. And this is again to really help streamline your analysis workflow in incorporating exactly what you need to export. So you have the option in this batch export module to either export everything directly from the software, or select specific parameters or samples or chart types to export from the software. You can see that you have a lot of options here, and once you're satisfied with the exact export options that you need for your analysis workflow, you can then go ahead and click Start Export. Last but certainly not least, we've also incorporated the ability for you to save these batch exports as templates, and this is again to help streamline that workflow. So similar to our analysis templates, you can then apply these batch export templates to future data sets, all of which is to help you increase the ease of analyzing your Prometheus data. I hope you found these tutorials helpful. As always, please let us know if you have questions, and feel free to join our Explorer community to interact with your fellow Prometheus users and let us know how you like the Prometheus Stability Analysis software. Thank you.